Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create color shadow in PNG image in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see create color shadow in PNG image. Now you can see insert the PNG image. Then we show PNG image in color shadow. Now going to the layer option. Now click for mouse right button option. Now click from blending option and select from drop shadow. Now click and distance, size, and going to the colors and option. Now click select from color. Now choose from color. Now click OK. Then again click OK. That is. Now change the color. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from blending option and click from drop shadow. Now choose the color. Now click OK. Then click OK. That is. Now you can see create color shadow in PNG image in Photoshop document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.